To begin with, the packaging for this scanner is beyond wonderful. I bought this to share with my brother that lives 90 minutes away, and I know with this packaging we can haul it back and forth with no worries about breakage. I bought this hoping that it would work scanning old photo albums from my grandparents where the pictures are glued to the pages. Plus my grandmother had written names and dates in white ink on the black pages, and I wanted to keep that information with the pictures. This scanner worked beautifully. It's quick, and if you get a picture out of order you can easily move it where it belongs. I love it and I'm really glad I purchased it. The pictures I scanned were from 1920, so their quality isn't the best. Some are dark, but that's just the way they were. It's not the fault of the scanner. 1. You can see from the photos that the packaging design is fashionable and you don't have to worry about damaging your goods in transit. The problem with it is that it's too big. A computer box is not this big. 2. It has a lot of attachments, an extension scan button, scan pedal. My favorite is the side light. Because the side lights solve the problem of reflections from books, I took a picture and you can compare the pictures. The front one is lit by side lights and the back one is lit by overhead lights. 3. The official data shows a 1.5 second scan per page. This can't be done in practice because it takes more time to turn the page and adjust the position. I scanned 30 pages, took about 4 minutes and averaged 8 to 10 seconds a page of objective data. But it's still much faster than other scanners. I talk about book scanning only. 4. Automatic adjustment is powerful. I purposely chose a very thick and very small book to scan. I intentionally scanned the first 20 pages. This means that the book curves a lot when it's scanned. The result is shown in the figure. It perfectly adjusts the curvature of the book so that it feels flat. 5. One of his faults is that it's too big. It takes up a lot of space on the desk. Please refer to the photo for the specific measurement size. 6. The worst thing is that it gives you a DVD. You read that right. Yes, it's a DVD. It's hard to imagine how many computers come with DVD-ROM in this era. This DVD contains the software installer. You should understand how important DVD-ROM is to you. Luckily my computer is old enough. 7. When you install it, it asks you for key code. This is a very old anti-piracy method. Don't worry about the number at the bottom of your scanner, below the barcode. I've been looking for it for a long time. I have volunteered to digitize 70 years of my mentor's published research, with the goal being able to have his life's work hosted on a website for the world to access. Some of this material is in bound volumes and therefore I was in need of a book scanner. In my search for the right product, I looked at both dedicated flatbed book scanners and a few brands of overhead scanners. It was the CZUR ET18 Plus that really caught my eye. One of the first things I do in a decision-making process is to read all the reviews. The good, the bad and the ugly. The good evaluations won out, and I have not been disappointed. Whomever said, "You never get a second chance to make a first impression," was right on the money. My scanner arrived with a wee little yellow plastic packing tape cutter, clearly visible yet easily accessible under the packing tape of the shipping box. This was a preview of what turned out to be well-designed attention to details. Even the box the scanner came in was meticulously engineered, giving easy access to every part, accessory as well as providing easy to figure out places where to return each part for safe storage. Okay, if this much thought went into the packaging, could the scanner performance be any less? I need to admit that in addition to being an amateur archivist, I am anything but tech-savvy. But setup was a breeze, and I even downloaded the software for the macOS by myself. The lack of a hefty print version instruction manual was a bit of a disappointment, but not surprising in this day and age of being expected to get that sort of thing online. There are loads of online video reviews and tutorials. CZUR offers a series of how-to training sessions. Of course there was still a learning curve for me, but I have received great customer support from CZUR. My project's needs are exceeded by the scanner's capabilities. What has been most gratifying was a seal of approval by a friend who is a professional archivist who visited me and watched with approval while I put the ET18 Plus through its paces. I'm puzzled by the low rating some buyers offered. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.